Let's talk about who wins big when interest rates get slashed. After the latest monetary policy update on 6 June 2025, all eyes are on the sectors set to ride the next wave of economic growth. So, where should investors be looking now? First up, banking and financial services. Lower rates mean borrowing just got a whole lot cheaper. That's a green light for private sector banks and NBFCs, especially those focused on retail. More loans, more growth, and yes, more profit for the folks lending out all that money. Housing finance companies, they're in for a treat too. Now, on to real estate and construction. Think about it, cheaper home loans mean more people can afford to buy homes. Residential developers, cement producers, and construction material suppliers all stand to benefit. Plus, housing finance companies get another leg up. Next, the auto and auto ancillary sector. Lower EMIs make buying cars and bikes more appealing. Passenger vehicle makers, two-wheeler giants, and their financing partners like Bajaj Finance and M&M Finance should see a nice uptick in demand. Let's not forget capital goods and infrastructure. When borrowing costs drop, businesses are more willing to invest in expansion. That means more work for infrastructure firms, engineering companies, and even those powering our energy grids. It's all about unlocking new projects. Consumer discretionary? Absolutely. With cheaper personal loans and a bit more cash in everyone's pockets, people tend to spend more on retail, electronics, hospitality, and travel. It's the classic feel-good effect of rate cuts. And finally, rate-sensitive debt mutual funds. When rates fall, bond prices rise. That's a win for long-duration debt funds, gilt funds, and dynamic bond funds. If bonds are your thing, this is your moment. In summary, interest rate cuts create a perfect storm for cyclical sectors and boost consumption-led growth. If you're looking to capitalize on these macro tailwinds, now's the time to reassess your portfolio. Don't miss out. Sometimes, the biggest opportunities come when money gets cheaper.